All right, so a quick review on these imitation Handgrey carabiners. They're cheap, eBay branded, Chinese Shanghai imitation carabiners by Handgrey. As if any of you know who Handgrey is, they make extremely expensive carabiners. Like something like this will cost you $120 if you buy from them. And who the hell's gonna spend $120 on a carabiner when you can buy anything? You can buy a Taurus PT111 G2 for about that price. Just kidding. But anyways, let's get to it. This is what I like about it is it's basically the same design as the Handgrey. The main difference is the Handgrey is made out of titanium. This looks like it's made out of cheap aluminum. Seems like it works. Spring feels pretty nice. Doesn't feel like it's gonna fail at me anytime soon. Of course, we're gonna try it out. With this one, I bought two of them just to try it out. Maybe I'll try a stress test on this one. I believe this cost me, I think like $1.20. Like straight up, it's like a 1% of the actual cost. So that's why I bought two of them. The little hook over here is not as pronounced as the Handgrey one. So will it slip? I highly doubt it. I don't think it'll slip. Now the cool thing about this design, or rather Handgrey's design, is that it's really hard to destroy or break with this piece. I don't know what to call it, the shackle, I guess. For example, this was my old one. It broke. You can see the spring is broken, but I believe because it was able to slide off this way, and I guess in my pocket it just snapped off and something broke off here. I don't know the mechanics of it. So with this one, like, it's gonna take I guess I could bend it really hard. It's gonna be really hard to do this. I'm gonna try to give this a stress test, but it's not gonna happen. Even this cheap aluminum one. So I can imagine what the titanium one is like. Can it hold weight? Yes, it can. Of course, it's just gonna be holding keys. I was thinking about putting some weights on it, but that's just gonna be a big waste of time. Let's see if I can try bending this to the side. Yeah, no, I can't bend this. All right, we're gonna break this motherfucker. I have to say, for a Chinese piece of junk, $2, $1, it's actually pretty freaking strong. It's pretty damn well built. It has to be the Handgrey design, maybe. They have beautiful products. I'm not putting them down, or I'm not spitting on their products or anything like that. I just don't want to spend $120 on a carabiner. I know there's a lot of work put into it. I know there's skills put into it. Time, skills, effort, just everything, creativity. And I understand you want to get paid for your time, but that's just ridiculous. I can buy so many other things for $120, and I do, believe me. But I gotta say, this Chinese crap is pretty fucking good. It's definitely gonna hold up better than this traditional keychain carabiner. Okay, you see I can get it to the side over there. I can't get any further than that. Shit. The $1, the one between $1 and $2 carabiner. It's a no-brainer. Peace out.